There's nothing I can do.
Now! Die! My magic! Why did it get sucked into the Nexus like that?
The magic. Why did it suddenly change course?
Is this a side effect of unblocking the flow? It's like all the sky magic around us is being pulled into the altar. Wait, no, it's not the altar.
What did you do to my magic?
Jupiter Emerald! Please! Twirl! Roar! Scatter!
The journey was long, guess that much was true. But that's when I found that you turned away from me. After all I gave, they took you away from me. But why would you take the hand of another? But that's when the path opened up for us, shining like a jewel never seen before. Did you think me angry within my heart, shining like the voice of a jewel? I know it's rough, just like a jewel, but since it's you and me, we can make it shine. You and me, we can, like the voice of a jewel. I know we can, if we listen close, we'll hear the jewel. We'll hear the jewel.
Wow, our sky magician's dead.
What?
Time for a trick! Right hand defend! Freeze!
Stop moving around!
I'm sorry, I don't quite know what I'm doing myself. I would say my sky magic has grown so strong that I can predict your movements by reading the minute disturbances in the air.
How am I losing to a mere human magician?
Time for a trick! Right hand! Drill! Freeze!
I have studied magic for more than 100 years! I refuse to be beaten by some lowlife with nothing but a shiny toy ring!
A trick ring created by excess sky magic? Just how powerful is that jewel?
Time for a trick! Right hand! Are you ready? Lightning! Freeze! Thank you very much! Dual trick! The finest Jupiter Emerald!
Tripp!
This ring is amazing.
I'll say, straight from the twirling nexus itself. That was magic in its purest form.
No, you've ruined everything. They promised me I'd live forever. They said they'd give me infinite time. And now, just look. You took everything away. You took away my immortality.
Mali, I understand we're pressed for time, but shouldn't we at least let the Apple King know what happened?
Once we reset time again, it won't matter. Same with Tripp and her dad. Less talking, more action.
True.
If we're lucky, then the other 3 Nexus will be suffering from the same kind of problem.
Which means they'll probably have more people guarding them too.
The closest Nexus would be here, across the desert to the southwest of Spiral Town. That's the Quaking Nexus.
That'll be the source of land magic. That's fine with me and all, but we might have an issue.
If you're referring to the fact we don't have a land elemental ring yet, don't you worry. I've thought of that. The Quaking Nexus is located somewhere within Patch Canyon, which, as I'm sure you have no clue, is the source of the purest Magistone in Zoologic.
Sorry, could you use smaller words?
Magistone is what your rings are made from, you dolt. Even you should know something that basic. So irresponsible.
Sorry.
Hey, lighten up. I'm just kidding.
Oh, right. Sorry, I didn't notice.
Tripp, are you okay? Like, genuinely okay?
Why wouldn't I be? What?
Something's wrong. Talk, now.
You know how jigsaw puzzles work, right?
I do, just like everyone else over the age of 3.
Ever since I arrived in Spiral Town, I started to get this bizarre feeling.
What? You feel like you're missing a piece of your puzzle? Sure, you and the rest of the world.
No, not a missing piece. The puzzle is complete, but one of the pieces just won't go all the way in.
Tripp, I don't...
It looks okay at a glance, the puzzle that is, but when you look a little closer, a tiny detail is just off. Mali, do I fit okay? Mali, are you okay?
Sure. Yeah, of course I am. Look, forget I said anything. We don't have time to stop and chat.
Right. Sorry.
Dice roll! 5 Camel Trick! Yeah!
So that's how it works. Time to find that woman and make her pay.
Why is this so hot? Stupid desert! Tripp! Cool me down again.
Alright.
Time for a change. Left hand. Sapphire. Please wait. Chill. Mind blow.
Better.
I don't suppose you know how much further the Patch Canyon is. My magic is starting to get low.
No clue. I've never been out this way before. But it can't be that much further. The Patch Circus troupe crosses this thing twice a month.
Oh, I remember them.
Welcome, one and all, to the Patch Troop's debut performance of the year.
Once this is all over, I've got to go and see them perform again.
Let's focus on actually getting to the canyons first. And don't you dare run out of magic before we get there.
Hello, nice people.
You're that woman, but...
How could I possibly recognize you? After all, technically we've never met, have we, Snowflake?
Tara Sell! So you're behind all this!
Huh?
It's her! She's the one who kidnapped me!
Then... So you're behind all this.
I already said that!
Aw, cute. You guys are having so much fun together. But, moving on to more important matters. No, I can't claim to be behind all this, as you so eloquently put.
Then why did you kidnap Mally? And why are you trying to destroy Spiral Town?
Spiral Town? Seriously, you think we're going through all this trouble just to wreck one little town?
Then why block up the Nexus? What could you, or whoever it is you're working for, possibly get out of that?
Now that would be telling. And right now, I'm more in the mood for doing. And by doing, I mean scorching you two troublemakers right down to your bones.
Sapphire, please wait, chill, mind flow. Defend, please.
Water? How predictable.
Liquid, please.
She's incredibly powerful. Her flame magic can even repel water.
Then we just need more of it. Tripp, double magic time.
Handshake, Sapphire. Thank you very much. Dual Tripp, very much. So time for a few
What?
Tripp!
No wonder you beat Gen Yu. Clearly you're a lot tougher than I thought. You thought all I could do was spew a few flames? I'll need to educate you in the ways of a real flame magician.
Let him go, or I'll blow you both to pieces.
Like that's gonna happen. Now, as I was saying, with flame magic, I have all kinds of tricks at my disposal. Scorching hot steam,
Stop it! Leave him alone!
intense heat, and my own personal favorite, molten lava.
Enough!
Don't fret. It only hurts for a moment. You'll pass out from the unbearable pain pretty quick.
in! Yes! Beast magic! Unleash!
What?
Who?
Found you, Tara Sell.
You again, puny human.
That's where you're wrong. I'm not human anymore, and you're about to get one heck of a beast bite.